Right, time now for the weather with Elizabeth. And as we say goodbye to March, how's the beginning of April looking, Lizzie?
Hello, good evening, Riz. Yeah, I had to think about that for a second, but it's tomorrow, isn't it? And it's going to be a very cold and frosty start. Let's take a look at what happened today. So plenty of cloud around for most of us. With the lighter winds, then it didn't feel quite as cold as it did yesterday or indeed the day before that. Some sunshine around for much of the day as well, as you can see from our picture from Ruthie Babe's house here. It's a cold and a frosty start to tomorrow morning. There will be some early sunshine and then it just turns cloudy as we head into the afternoon. But temperatures really on a par with what we've had today. Now overnight tonight, we've got plenty of clear skies. It's a perfect night for some stargazing if you fancy that. Lots of clear skies around, but then we see this cloud just pushing down from the north. Now temperatures are likely to dip as low as -2 or -4 degrees Celsius, perhaps towards southern spots as we head into tomorrow morning. So it's certainly a cold, frosty start to the day. Our cloud continues its journey southwards. Light winds through the day tomorrow. It's a northwesterly wind, so it's still fairly chilly. We'll see temperatures peak in double figures, I think, for most places, 9 or 10 degrees Celsius. I wouldn't totally rule out 1 or 2 showers or indeed some brighter spells, but for the most part turning dry and cloudy through the day tomorrow. Let's take a look at Thursday. No big changes. Again, possibly 1 or 2 showers, certainly some brighter spells at times, but a rather cloudy afternoon in store. This is the difference though. Look at the temperatures, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. That's because we've now got a westerly wind and some mild air coming through. Why do we have the westerly wind? Well, there's a very high area of high pressure sitting out in the Atlantic at the moment that's going to be gradually moving its way southwards and eventually eastwards. So it draws in a westerly wind and then a southerly wind as we head into the weekend, and that's going to drag some much milder air our way. So on Friday, a slight dip in temperature with some slightly cooler air, but there should be some sunshine around. The winds are staying light. We get the southerly wind on Saturday and on Sunday, 14 degrees with some sunshine on Saturday, 20 by the time we get to Sunday. It's a mild but unsettled start to the next week.
Thanks, Elizabeth. And